found this little CRT TV thrown out in the trash. Quite small, actually, like really tiny screen and all. And what's actually really cool about it is that it was under the rain in the trash, and it works. It's got this weird line, but the weird green line actually disappears over time. And there you go. Yeah, it's playing one of my best animations right now. And look, you can even play this. And also one video that I really like to test on TVs for some reason is Do Not Boop the Snoot. I don't know, just cute video. But yeah, as you can see, it works almost perfectly fine. There are a few capacitor issues, I think, which is why the image is like a bit wobbly, and when it starts up it's black and white and all weird and everything. It has a coaxial input, so I actually had to use a modulator here so that it could play off my DVD and USB player.